Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Samsung S24 Ultra versus Itel S25 Ultra. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. Here you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about display. S24 provided 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x QSD plus 1440 into 3088 120 Hz Gorilla Glass Victus 2 display, and Itel provided 3.78-inch AMOLED FHD plus 1080 into 2436 120 Hz Gorilla Glass 7i display. So Samsung is better. Now let's look at the processor. Samsung provided Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor, and Itel provided Unisoc T620 12nm processor. So Samsung is better. Now let's look at the rear camera. Samsung provided quad 200MP main, 12MP ultra-wide plus 10MP periscope plus 10MP telephoto rear camera, and Itel provided dual 50MP main plus macro lens. So Samsung is better. Now let's look at the front camera. Samsung provided 12MP front camera, and Itel provided 32MP front camera. So Itel is better. Now let's look at the battery. Samsung provided 5000 mAh 45-watt fast charging battery, and Itel provided 5000 mAh 18-watt fast charging battery. So Samsung is better. Now let's look at the operating system. Samsung provided Android 14, One UI 6.1 up to 4 major updates, and Itel provided Android 14 up to 2 major updates. So Samsung is better. Now let's look at the build quality. Samsung provided aluminium frame, IP68 water/dust resistant, and Itel provided plastic body IP54 water resistant. So Samsung is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Samsung is high because it is premium flagship, so it is expensive. And the price of Itel is budget friendly, so Itel is better. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.